In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log in and manage your WordPress website. You'll learn how to keep your site up to date, how to add new users, change passwords, set your site's title, and more. This is the second lesson of a free 5-part series that will guide you through building and managing a professional website for your business. In the previous lesson, you learned how to set up a WordPress website. Step 1. Visit your homepage by entering your web address carefully into the browser's address bar. Step 2. Log into the admin area of your website by typing the text /wp-admin after your web address and hit enter. Now, it's not a bad idea to bookmark this page for easy access in future. Step 3. Enter the username and password you chose when you set up WordPress. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. The WordPress dashboard is divided up into 3 main areas: the admin bar along the top, the main menu on the left, and the central workspace from where you can manage your website. The admin bar contains useful shortcuts and appears along the top when you are logged in as an administrator. Step 4. Visit the front end of your site by clicking the Visit Site link in your admin bar. Step 5. Return to the dashboard again by clicking the dashboard link. Now, if you set up your website on WordPress.com in the previous lesson, let's quickly change your theme so that everyone's website looks the same. If you're on a self-hosted version of WordPress, then please sit tight for a second. Step 6. For WordPress.com users, go to Appearance, Themes. Step 7. Scroll down through the list of themes until you see one called 2011 and hit Activate. Your website should now look like this when you visit the front end. Step 6 for WordPress.org users is a little different. You should already have 2011 theme installed, but you may be running an out-of-date version of WordPress. This is a reality of hosting your own website, and it's very important that you keep your site up to date with all the latest features and security patches. You'll see a notice in your admin bar and in your main menu whenever updates become available for WordPress or for any of the themes and plugins that you're using. Let's start by updating your plugins. Step 6. Go to Dashboard Updates. Select all the plugins that need to be updated. Hit the Update Plugins button. Now, let's repeat this process to update the themes. From the Update screen, select all the themes that need to be updated and hit the Update button. Finally, WordPress Core is the engine that powers your website, so it's important that you keep it secure and up to date. Step 7. Click on the Please Update Now link in the notification panel at the top of your dashboard. Select Update Now. And that's it. You're now fully up to date and ready to go. Please note, however, you should never perform an update on a live website without first making a backup. Backups are covered in a later lesson. Next, let's go through how you can add and manage users. Common tasks include finding a user, adding a new user, resetting passwords, and modifying a user's details or access permissions. Select Users, All Users from the left menu bar to see a list of all the users on your website. You can perform bulk actions on multiple users by placing a check in the user's checkbox and selecting from the Bulk Actions or Change Role To drop-down menu. You can also use the search box to search for users by their first or last name. Step 9. Edit your own profile by running your mouse over your username and selecting Edit. Here, you can change your password or the display name that appears alongside articles you write on your site's front end. Change it to your real name and hit the Update Profile button. Adding users is easy. With WordPress.com, you can invite a user to create an account. Select Users, Invite New. Enter the email address of the user you wish to add and hit Send Invitation. With self-hosted WordPress, you can add one directly. Select Users, Add New. Enter a username, password and email address. Select a role and hit Add New. Of course, you can also set up your site so that users can create their own accounts from the front end automatically. Now, let's quickly talk about roles. When adding a new user, you can choose what level of access to grant them. An administrator is someone who has access to all the administration features. Editors can create and edit all the site's content. Authors can create and edit their own content, but not anyone else's. And subscribers are allowed to change their own profile information and nothing more. WordPress also has a few general settings that you should be aware of. Step 10. You can easily change the title of your website. Go to Settings, General. Enter a new site title for your website. Double check your email address is entered correctly while you're at it. And when you're done, hit Save Changes. We'll cover more important settings later in the course during the relevant lesson. Your website should now look something like this. In this lesson, you learned how to log into the dashboard, which is where you configure your site settings and update content. You also learned what's involved in keeping a self-hosted version of WordPress up to date. User roles were explained, which limits what users can do on your website. Finally, we also had a quick look at the general settings, where you updated your site's title. In the next lesson, you will learn how to create and manage content. And don't forget, you'll find step-by-step notes for this tutorial on wpapplied.com, where you can also ask me questions and find more free tutorials on how to build websites for photographers, restaurants, local small businesses, e-commerce sites, news blogs, and lots more. Until next time, I'm Brian Duffy, your WordPress tutor. Thanks for watching.